At the intersection of the 33rd parallel, a chilling silence hangs over the world's most sensitive border. This is Mount Hermon, a place whispered about in ancient texts and quietly watched today. Why is the site where the Book of Enoch claims fallen angels first touched Earth now guarded by a high-altitude military outpost? Satellite surveillance, restricted zones, and a mountain no one fully explains. Tonight, we're breaching the forbidden gates of Mount Hermon to uncover what lies buried beneath the ice. Satellite imagery shows ancient ruins buried under centuries of snow and ice, their purpose lost to history, but etched into whispers of forgotten civilizations. Local guides speak of strange phenomena, whispers in the wind, lights dancing in the sky, compasses spinning wildly as if the laws of physics bend here. As we climb higher, the air thins and the cold bites harder, but the promise of discovering what the Watchers left behind drives us forward. Finally, we reach a plateau where massive monolithic stones form a gateway unlike any natural formation. Symbols of an ancient celestial rebellion are carved deeply into the ice. The wind howls, carrying faint whispers. Some claim these are the voices of the Watchers, the fallen angels who first descended here. Researchers examine the stones and discover patterns that resemble star maps aligned to celestial events from thousands of years ago. Ancient texts warn that the portal here connects the mortal world to realms unseen, a threshold humanity was never meant to cross. Drones fly overhead, capturing footage of enormous shadows moving beneath the ice, leaving faint cracks and depressions that defy explanation. As night falls, the temperature drops further. Our headlamps reveal mysterious symbols glowing faintly on surrounding cliffs. A sudden tremor shakes the plateau. The monolithic stones shift subtly, as if reacting to our presence. Scientists attempt to measure magnetic anomalies, revealing fluctuations that would interfere with compasses and GPS signals. A guide recounts a legend of celestial battle fought on these peaks, leaving traces in stone and ice. The air grows heavier, almost tangible, as though the atmosphere itself is warning us of what lies ahead. We trace lines in the ice to reveal a hidden entrance beneath a glacier, partially covered by snow and ancient debris. Inside, the temperature shifts drastically. Strange carvings line the walls, depicting beings with wings and celestial symbols. A small team descends deeper, discovering a subterranean chamber filled with objects that seem to defy known history. Artifacts, crystalline structures, and writings in languages lost to time. Strange lights dance across the walls, reflecting off crystalline formations embedded in the ice, casting eerie reflections that seem almost alive. An unexplained low hum reverberates through the chamber, setting the team on edge. Ancient murals reveal scenes of Watchers teaching early humans secrets of the stars and celestial navigation. One of the team members touches a glowing artifact, triggering a reaction. Light bursts from the ceiling, casting the chamber in brilliant illumination and revealing hidden inscriptions. Measurements confirm anomalies in time and magnetic fields, as if the laws of physics are bending locally. Clocks behave strangely, instruments fail, and the team senses time itself is unstable. Outside, the wind howls with a different tone, carrying echoes of events that might have happened millennia ago, whispers of battles and beings long forgotten. The team debates whether to leave evidence behind or preserve the site untouched, knowing the world might not understand what they found. Shadows stretch long in the pale moonlight. We exit the chamber, leaving the frozen gates of Mount Hermon as undisturbed as possible. As we descend, the first light of dawn casts long shadows over the peaks, hinting at the mysteries that remain hidden. As the sun rises, frost glints off the ice-covered monoliths, revealing carvings previously hidden in shadow. Footprints lead to a hidden crevasse, partially obscured by fresh snowfall. The team hesitates at the edge. One climber descends into the crevasse, rope taut, revealing walls etched with unfamiliar symbols that seem to shimmer. Strange whispers echo from the ice, as if the mountain itself is speaking in a language long forgotten. A faint glow emanates from deeper within, pulsing rhythmically, almost like a heartbeat. The team encounters skeletal remains, partially frozen, holding artifacts with celestial markings. Ancient inscriptions hint at a cataclysmic event tied to the Nephilim and the Watcher's descent. A sudden tremor shakes the cavern, snow falling from above, revealing a hidden passage blocked by ice. Inside the passage, crystalline formations glow in otherworldly light, reflecting patterns that mimic constellations. A guide warns that touching the artifacts may trigger unknown consequences, yet curiosity drives the team forward. One member reaches out and touches a crystalline shard, and the air vibrates with a low hum that resonates through the bones. Energy arcs across the walls, illuminating murals of celestial beings interacting with humans. The team records magnetic fluctuations, which spike unexpectedly as the crystals seem to react to human presence. Footsteps echo from deeper in the cavern, though no one else is present. Shadows dance in unnatural ways. The explorers find an underground river, its water luminescent with particles of unknown origin, flowing toward an unseen abyss. Strange symbols etched on nearby stones resemble star charts aligned to celestial events thousands of years ago. An unexpected cold gust rushes through the passage, carrying whispers and faint, otherworldly melodies. A team member notices movement in the shadows, figures that seem human yet impossibly large, vanishing when approached. Ancient murals depict watchers teaching humans secrets of celestial navigation, metallurgy, and forbidden arts. A glowing artifact pulses rhythmically, synchronized with the heartbeat of the cavern itself. Measurements confirm local distortions in time and gravity, as if the laws of physics bend within the cavern. Outside, faint auroras shimmer across the night sky, seemingly in response to the cavern's energy. The team debates whether to document everything or leave the site undisturbed, aware the world may never understand. A sudden flash illuminates the entire cavern. The Watcher's murals glow as though alive, revealing secrets hidden for millennia. The first hints of dawn pierce the entrance, casting long shadows across ice formations and artifacts, signaling it's time to retreat. As the team ascends in the cavern, ice formations seem to shimmer, reflecting fragments of a long-lost celestial map. One explorer traces lines in the frost, revealing symbols invisible in normal light, hints of an ancient ritual. The wind carries faint echoes of chants, perhaps remnants of an ancient ceremony performed by the Watchers. Shadows of massive figures move across the plateau, but when approached, nothing is there, only the snow disturbed. At a ridge, the team spots unusual lights on the horizon, hovering above the ice in patterns that defy explanation. Ancient stone markers align perfectly with constellations overhead, suggesting a celestial purpose lost to time. The temperature drops further, and the frost patterns shift as if alive, reacting to the team's presence. A sudden gust reveals carvings on a hidden stone, depicting Watchers descending and interacting with giant beings. A team member kneels to examine the carvings, feeling an energy surge through the cold air. One of the devices records an inexplicable spike in magnetic fields, strong enough to disrupt electronics and compasses. The ground trembles subtly, revealing faint cracks in the ice, like the mountain itself is alive. Shadows stretch unnaturally long as night falls, and the aurora above dances in colors unseen by human eyes. A hidden alcove reveals relics covered in frost, etched with angelic symbols that pulse softly with light. The explorer senses a presence behind them, though no one is visible. Only footprints appear momentarily, then vanish. Inside the alcove, crystalline formations emit low-frequency hums, resonating with the mountain's heartbeat. Murals on the walls depict a celestial council deliberating the fate of humanity and the Nephilim. A team member notes inscriptions correlating celestial events to earthly phenomena, ancient knowledge encoded in ice. An unexplained flicker of light illuminates a distant peak, as if signaling the explorers to follow. The explorers move cautiously, observing carvings along the trail that detail rituals and celestial alignments. A sudden snowstorm engulfs the plateau, reducing visibility to near zero, but faint light patterns remain visible through the blizzard. As visibility clears, the team discovers a frozen lake, its surface etched with geometric patterns aligned to celestial constellations. The pattern suggests a map, perhaps leading to an even deeper chamber or hidden location beneath the ice. The explorers notice anomalies in temperature and gravity near the lake's center, instruments reading impossibly high values. Strange aurora-like light arcs above the lake, reflecting patterns that mimic the carvings inside the cavern. The team debates whether to step onto the lake, aware that crossing might trigger forces unknown for millennia. Stepping cautiously onto frozen lake, faint cracks appear beneath their boots, glowing softly as if alive. The light pulses faster with each step, creating a rhythm that seems to communicate a hidden message. An underground rumble echoes from below, revealing that the ice conceals a vast subterranean structure. The explorers find a staircase carved from solid ice, descending into darkness illuminated by soft, glowing symbols. Walls along the descent are etched with depictions of celestial battles, giants, and angels interacting with humans. A low hum vibrates through the chamber, aligning with the pulsations of the artifacts they carry. Strange mist rises from the floor, forming shapes that seem to hint at a hidden history of the Nephilim. The team discovers an enormous frozen figure, partially encased in ice, with wings folded over its back. Nearby, symbols indicate this being is one of the original Watchers, a sentinel left to guard the chamber. The explorers hear whispers again, guiding them deeper into a network of ice tunnels. They encounter a circular chamber with a domed ceiling, covered in constellations and glowing sigils. In the center lies a pedestal with a crystalline artifact, radiating energy, casting intricate shadows. A team member reaches for the artifact. Light flares, illuminating hidden carvings across the walls. Murals depict Watchers teaching humans forbidden knowledge, astronomy, alchemy, and advanced engineering. The artifact pulses again, and the explorers feel a distortion in time. Shadows move slightly out of sync with reality. A faint pathway opens, leading to a hidden chamber filled with more crystalline structures and frozen relics. The explorers notice patterns in the crystals that mimic star charts, forming a map of the ancient world. Whispers intensify, as if the mountain itself is speaking, warning them of the Nephilim's power. A sudden tremor shakes the chamber, ice falling from the ceiling, revealing more hidden murals. Murals depict a celestial war, with giants and Watchers waging battle over the fate of humanity. The explorers record magnetic and gravitational anomalies, confirming the area defies natural laws. The cavern emits a resonating hum, vibrating through every object and living thing within. A final frozen gate blocks the path deeper, covered in glowing inscriptions warning intruders to turn back. The explorers step back, realizing the secrets of Mount Hermon are only partially revealed, the rest hidden for millennia. As they exit, dawn breaks over the peaks, casting long shadows over the icy landscape, hinting at mysteries that may never be uncovered.